Class action specialists versus individual plaintiff firms. Which one is better for mass tort claims? Most people assume that any plaintiff firm can handle mass tort claims. The surprising truth is that class action specialists bring experience, resources, and coordination that individual plaintiff firms simply can't match for large-scale cases. Class action specialists manage lawsuits involving hundreds or thousands of plaintiffs. They streamline filing, evidence collection, and legal strategy, ensuring consistent messaging and efficient handling of complex claims. For example, in a pharmaceutical mass tort, a specialist firm can coordinate expert testimony, manage discovery across multiple jurisdictions, and negotiate settlements that maximize compensation for all affected individuals. Individual plaintiff firms, while highly skilled, typically focus on one or a few clients at a time. They excel in personal attention and tailored legal strategy, but handling hundreds of claimants simultaneously can overwhelm their resources. This can result in slower case progress, inconsistent documentation, and higher administrative risks. The optimal choice depends on the scale and complexity of the claim. For large mass torts, class action specialists provide the infrastructure, experience, and efficiency necessary to achieve meaningful results. Individual plaintiff firms are better suited for smaller, high-touch cases, or where personal representation is critical. The key takeaway is that mass tort claims require specialized expertise and coordination. The surprising truth is that class action specialists give plaintiffs a greater chance of success, ensuring fair and equitable resolution for large groups, while individual firms are ideal only when claims are limited in scope and manageable in scale.